really like it, don't you?
What?
Life.
Oh. Every morning when I wake up and I see there's a whole new other day, I just go absolutely ape.
Standing at the end of the road of a broken love affair, hoping to hear your voice in the midst of the smoky air. If I could see your face, Lord, it would erase every feeling of sorrow that's ever crossed my mind.
Walks out the door.